Natural foods to lower uric acid levels. Quickly high uric acid levels, known medically as hyperuricemia, can lead to gout, kidney stones, and joint inflammation. Fortunately, nature provides powerful foods that help flush out excess uric acid from your body quickly and naturally. Let's explore some of the best natural options to support healthy uric acid levels. Cherries. Anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Cherries are one of nature's most powerful anti-inflammatory fruits, particularly effective in lowering uric acid levels in the body. Packed with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, cherries help reduce the inflammation and pain associated with conditions like gout and arthritis. These antioxidants work by neutralizing free radicals and calming the immune response that often leads to joint discomfort and swelling. What makes cherries even more remarkable is their ability to directly affect uric acid levels. Research has shown that regular consumption of cherries or unsweetened cherry juice can significantly lower the risk of gout attacks. This is because cherries help the body excrete uric acid more efficiently while also preventing the buildup of crystals in the joints, which are the root cause of gout flare-ups. Fresh cherries, particularly tart varieties, are considered the most effective, although frozen or dried cherries can also offer benefits if they are free of added sugar. For many people seeking natural remedies to manage inflammation and high uric acid, cherries provide a sweet, simple, and delicious solution. Including a serving of cherries in your daily diet can not only support joint health, but also enhance overall wellness by reducing oxidative stress and promoting better circulation. Lemon water. Alkalize your body. Lemon water is a simple yet powerful natural remedy that supports the body in lowering uric acid levels and maintaining an alkaline environment. Although lemons themselves are acidic in nature, once metabolized, they have an alkalizing effect on the body. This means that drinking lemon water can help balance the body's internal pH, making it less favorable for uric acid crystal formation. One of the key benefits of lemon water is its ability to stimulate the production of calcium carbonate in the body, which in turn neutralizes acids and helps dissolve uric acid deposits. This process not only reduces the risk of gout flare-ups, but also supports better kidney function by encouraging the elimination of uric acid through urine. Starting the day with a glass of warm lemon water is particularly beneficial as it activates digestion, promotes detoxification, and hydrates the body after a night's rest. Regular consumption may also enhance liver function, which plays a vital role in filtering toxins and maintaining metabolic balance. In addition to its effects on uric acid, lemon water provides a healthy dose of vitamin C, an antioxidant known to support immune function and reduce inflammation. By making lemon water a part of your daily routine, you can gently and naturally support your body's efforts to stay balanced, cleansed, and free of excess uric acid. Celery and celery seeds. Natural diuretic. Cherries are one of nature's most powerful anti-inflammatory fruits, particularly effective in lowering uric acid levels in the body. Packed with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, cherries help reduce the inflammation and pain associated with conditions like gout and arthritis. These antioxidants work by neutralizing free radicals and calming the immune response that often leads to joint discomfort and swelling. What makes cherries even more remarkable is their ability to directly affect uric acid levels. Research has shown that regular consumption of cherries or unsweetened cherry juice can significantly lower the risk of gout attacks. This is because cherries help the body excrete uric acid more efficiently while also preventing the buildup of crystals in the joints, which are the root cause of gout flare-ups. Fresh cherries, particularly tart varieties, are considered the most effective, although frozen or dried cherries can also offer benefits if they are free of added sugar. For many people seeking natural remedies to manage inflammation and high uric acid, cherries provide a sweet, simple, and delicious solution. Including a serving of cherries in your daily diet can not only support joint health, but also enhance overall wellness by reducing oxidative stress and promoting better circulation. Apples rich in malic acid. Apples are a valuable natural remedy for managing high uric acid levels, primarily due to their rich content of malic acid. Malic acid plays a crucial role in detoxifying the body by helping to neutralize and dissolve uric acid, making it easier for the kidneys to eliminate it through urine. This process not only reduces the overall concentration of uric acid in the blood, but also lowers the risk of crystal deposits forming in the joints, which are a common cause of gout attacks. In addition to malic acid, apples are packed with fiber, antioxidants, and vitamin C, all of which support overall metabolic health and help reduce inflammation. The fiber in apples, particularly pectin, assists in flushing toxins from the digestive system, further aiding in the body's cleansing process. Eating an apple a day, especially with the skin on, can be a gentle yet effective way to support your body's natural detoxification pathways. Their low purine content also makes apples a safe and nutritious fruit choice for those looking to manage gout or prevent uric acid buildup. With their sweet flavor, easy availability, and numerous health benefits, apples offer a delicious and practical way to promote internal balance and support long-term joint and kidney health. Cucumber. Cooling and cleansing cucumbers are one of the most refreshing and hydrating vegetables available, known for their cooling and cleansing properties that make them highly effective in supporting the body's efforts to lower uric acid levels. Made up of over 95% water, cucumbers help promote healthy kidney function by increasing urine output, which is essential for flushing out excess uric acid and other toxins from the body. Their natural diuretic effect helps prevent uric acid from crystallizing and settling in the joints, thereby reducing the risk of painful gout attacks. Additionally, cucumbers are very low in purines, which makes them an ideal food for individuals who need to manage uric acid through diet. Beyond hydration, cucumbers are rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, including vitamin C, caffeic acid, and silica, all of which support tissue repair and reduce oxidative stress. Their alkalizing nature also helps maintain the body's pH balance, further discouraging uric acid buildup, whether eaten raw in salads, blended into juices, or infused in water. Cucumbers offer a light yet powerful way to cleanse the body, support digestion, and promote joint health. Including cucumbers regularly in your diet can be a simple and natural strategy to keep uric acid levels in check, while also enhancing overall wellness. Berries. Rich in vitamin C, berries are among the most nutrient-dense fruits, and their high vitamin C content makes them especially beneficial for people looking to lower uric acid levels naturally. Vitamin C plays a key role in helping the kidneys eliminate excess uric acid from the bloodstream, reducing the chances of it forming sharp crystals that cause gout and joint inflammation. Berries such as strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are not only rich in vitamin C, but also loaded with powerful antioxidants that combat inflammation and oxidative stress, two factors that contribute to chronic conditions like gout and arthritis. These fruits help protect joint tissues and improve overall immune function, supporting the body's natural healing processes. Their low sugar content compared to other fruits makes berries a smart and safe choice for individuals with metabolic concerns or those trying to maintain a healthy weight. Regular consumption of fresh berries or unsweetened berry juice can aid in lowering uric acid levels, reducing the frequency and severity of gout, flare-ups, and promoting overall cardiovascular and joint health. Whether added to breakfast bowls, blended into smoothies, or eaten as a snack, berries offer a flavorful, healing option for those aiming to cleanse the body and support long-term wellness. Bananas. Low purine. Fruit bananas are an excellent dietary choice for individuals looking to manage high uric acid levels due to their naturally low purine content. Purines are compounds that break down into uric acid in the body, and consuming low purine foods helps reduce the risk of excessive uric acid accumulation, which can lead to gout and joint pain. Bananas provide a gentle and easily digestible source of energy while being rich in important nutrients such as vitamin C, vitamin B6, and potassium. The high potassium content in bananas supports kidney function by promoting the excretion of uric acid through urine, helping to maintain a healthy balance in the bloodstream. Additionally, the fiber in bananas aids in digestion and supports the elimination of toxins, further contributing to the body's detoxification process. Their anti-inflammatory properties and ability to regulate the body's pH also make bananas a soothing food for those experiencing discomfort related to uric acid buildup. Easy to incorporate into any meal or snack, bananas offer a convenient and naturally sweet way to support joint health, reduce inflammation, and maintain uric acid levels within a healthy range. For people dealing with gout or simply aiming for better metabolic balance, bananas are a reliable and nutritious addition to the diet. Green tea. Green tea is widely celebrated for its detoxifying antioxidants, which play a significant role in supporting the body's ability to lower uric acid levels naturally. Rich in catechins, particularly epicholocachin, galati, EGCG, green tea helps reduce inflammation, enhance liver function, and improve kidney performance, essential factors in the elimination of excess uric acid. These antioxidants work by neutralizing free radicals and slowing down the activity of xanthine oxidase, the enzyme responsible for producing uric acid during the breakdown of purines. By inhibiting this enzyme, green tea not only helps reduce the formation of uric acid, but also supports the body's overall detoxification process. Drinking green tea regularly may also promote better hydration and mild diuretic effects, both of which aid in flushing uric acid out through the urine. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory properties can help soothe joint discomfort caused by uric acid buildup, offering relief to individuals suffering from conditions like gout. With its gentle, natural composition and a wide range of health benefits, green tea is an easy yet powerful addition to a daily routine. Whether enjoyed warm or iced, without added sugar, green tea supports the body's internal balance and offers a holistic approach to managing uric acid and promoting long-term wellness. Leafy greens. Alkaline-forming leafy greens are among the most beneficial foods for lowering uric acid levels, thanks to their powerful alkaline-forming properties. Vegetables like spinach, kale, collard greens, and Swiss chard help balance the body's internal pH, creating an environment that discourages the formation of uric acid crystals. When the body becomes too acidic due to diets high in red meat, processed foods, and sugary beverages, uric acid is more likely to accumulate and trigger painful conditions like gout. Leafy greens counteract this by promoting alkalinity, which helps neutralize excess acid and encourages the kidneys to eliminate uric acid more efficiently through urine. In addition to their alkalizing effects, leafy greens are packed with essential nutrients such as magnesium, potassium, folate, fiber, and antioxidants, all of which support detoxification and reduce inflammation. The fiber in these greens also assists in removing waste and toxins from the digestive system, further helping the body maintain healthy uric acid levels. Low in purines and calories, leafy greens are a safe and highly effective food choice for those managing gout or simply aiming for better metabolic health. Whether eaten raw in salads, lightly steamed, or blended into smoothies, incorporating more leafy greens into the diet is a natural and sustainable way to support the body's efforts to stay balanced, reduce inflammation, and prevent uric acid built-up. Water, the ultimate uric acid flusher. Water is often overlooked as a healing tool. Yet, it is the most essential and effective natural remedy for flushing out excess uric acid from the body. Adequate hydration is critical for healthy kidney function, as the kidneys are responsible for filtering uric acid and eliminating it through urine. When the body is dehydrated, uric acid becomes concentrated in the blood, increasing the risk of crystal formation in the joints, which leads to painful gout attacks. Drinking enough water helps dilute uric acid, making it easier for the kidneys to excrete it efficiently and consistently. Water also supports the body's natural detoxification processes, improving circulation, enhancing digestion, and maintaining the proper balance of bodily fluids and pH. For individuals struggling with high uric acid levels, increasing water intake can lead to noticeable improvements in joint comfort, energy levels, and overall metabolic health. Starting the day with a glass of water and continuing to sip throughout the day keeps the system well hydrated and continuously flushing out harmful waste products. Adding slices of lemon, cucumber, or mint can make water more enjoyable while offering added detox benefits. Ultimately, making water your primary beverage is one of the simplest and most powerful ways to reduce uric acid levels naturally and support long-term kidney and joint health. Managing uric acid doesn't always require medication. Your kitchen may already hold the solution. By incorporating these natural, wholesome foods and staying hydrated, you can help your body detox, reduce inflammation, and lower uric acid levels quickly and effectively. Always consult your healthcare provider for personalized advice, especially if you suffer from chronic gout or kidney issues.